forgot somebody. We have a new guest today. It is Doug here. He is a pushy pup. He is really cute. Come on, Doug. Come on, Doug. Up here. New guest to try.
Think you can read the title?
Yeah. Green Eggs and Ham
By Dr. Seuss.
by Dr. Seuss.
Ready?
Yeah. Welcome to Jim's Dimension. Hi, guys.
Would you with a goat? I could not with a goat. Could you on a boat? I would not on a boat. I will not with a goat. I will not eat them in the rain. I will not eat them on a train. Not in the dark, not in a tree, not in a car. You let me be. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them. Sam, I am. You do not like them, so you say. Try them, and you may. Try them and you may, I say. Sam, if you will let me be, I will try them. You will see. Do you guys want to try green eggs and ham?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Now that we've read green eggs and ham, why don't we try to make our own green eggs and ham? What do you think, Dylan?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go. Ask a grown-up to help you. Turn on the stove to a medium heat. Spray some cooking oil on one of the pans. Add some food coloring to your ham. Cook the ham to your liking. Next, crack the eggs in a bowl, add some green food coloring, and whisk together. Cook the eggs to perfection. Enjoy! You're gonna eat it? You like it? It's really good. It's really good, guys. What do you think, Dylan?
Yeah.
Do you think people at home should try this?
Yeah, they do.
I think so too. Say! I like green eggs and ham. I do. I like them, Sam I am. I do so like green eggs and ham. Thank you. Thank you, Sam I am.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Click what subscribe button and click the like button. Bye for the next video. So the alphabet Dave is gonna come back. So you have to stay close to your parents to your stories from the catch in the next video.
Bye.
Episode. Bye. Yay! Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, everybody. Bye.